You'll need 2 different coloured circle shapes for this project. Fold one in half so the hole is centred. Position the hole in the punch and punch through both layers. Re-punch the hole on the second circle so that it fits an eyelet shaft, and then punch a hole on the opposite side of the circle. Place an eyelet in one of the holes and position it on the setting platform. Squeeze the handles to set it. Set an eyelet in the hole on the other side too. Align the holes in the first circle and insert an eyelet through both layers. Place it on the setting platform and squeeze the handles to set it. You may need to give it another squeeze to make sure that the eyelet has gone through both layers. Cut an 8-inch piece of wire from the spool and then run it through the nylon jaw pliers a few times to straighten out the curves. Using chain nose pliers, bend the tip at a 60-degree angle. Make another bend in the wire so that the first 2 sides are about the same length. Bend the wire again to make the third side of the triangle. Once you've made the base triangle, continue making bends in the wire so that each successive triangle is larger than the one inside it. Keep going until the triangle measures about 7/8 of an inch wide. Grip the wire above the last point of the triangle and bend it sideways. Trim the end to about 3/16 of an inch with flush cutters. Switch to round nose pliers and turn a simple loop. Make a second triangle using the first one as a guide for shape and size. Open a jump ring and hook on the circle and the tassel, and then close the jump ring again. Open another jump ring and hook on the top hole of the circle, the wire triangle and the folded circle. Then close the jump ring to secure all the pieces together. Drop the chain through the folded circle and pull it through the other side. Then hook a jump ring through the end link. Pull the chain up to remove the slack and then hook it through one of the links on the chain. Add the earring wire and close the jump ring. Carefully cut away the excess chain with wire cutters. Then make up the second earring.